Hi everyone, this is Kaka, and in today's video, let's talk about speed and average speed in rate problems. First of all, speed is a measure of how fast something's going at. However, a big problem with the speed is that it may vary. So therefore we use the average speed, or the speed we'll be traveling at if we were to cover the same amount of distance over the same amount of time, except our speed is constant. We'll explore in detail the formula distance equals speed times time. First of all, if speed were to be held at a constant, that means distance is equal to some constant times time, and this obviously makes sense, because if you were to traveling at the same speed, then the longer you travel for, the longer the total distance you cover. On the other hand, if time were to be held at a constant, this means that distance is equal to some constant times speed, and imagine the following scenario. You're running as far as possible over a certain fixed period of time. This means that the faster you run over the period, the longer the distance you'll be able to cover. Makes sense, right? And finally, if distance were to be held at a constant, this means that speed times time is equal to some constant, or when one of them increases, the other one decreases. Imagine that you're running late for class, and your locker is some fixed distance away from the classroom. The longer you take, the faster you run to the classroom, the less time it takes for you to reach the classroom. Obviously, don't run in the hallway. But yeah, please remember that distance equals speed times time, and that is the only way you should be using it to calculate speed. Nothing else.